Okay.
This next one is going to be a napkin rose. So we're going to unfold our
Unfold your napkin.
So we're going to rotate so that one of the corners is pointing towards us.
Gotcha.
Now we want to envision this middle center crease right here running from the left side to the right side. So we want to fold straight up and give a little crease so we know where the center point is.
Okay.
So there's the point.
Okay.
Now you want to take our bottom tip and fold it straight up. Now this next step we'll be doing 3 times. So this is the first time. Top to the center. So that's 1.
All 4 of these?
Nope,
Nope.
just 2.
Nope. Nope. Okay.
Now we want to fold this up. This is our second time.
Okay. This in.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like an egg roll.
It does.
Okay.
And then one more time.
And then again.
And again and again.
Okay.
All right, great. So now that we have that, we want to fold the entire
Now it
thing
looks like
in half.
a cannoli.
It gets smaller.
Okay, then fold this in half.
So now we have a ribbon of a napkin, if you will.
Okay.
And this next part is my absolute favorite. Place your palm right over here to gauge about 6 inches from the left side. Mark the spot with your opposite hand, kind of karate chop that. And then
Okay.
take whatever's on the left side and fold it diagonally to create a right angle.
Okay.
Awesome. So next, we want to lift up our napkin slightly and twist counterclockwise with our left hand and clockwise with our right hand. So just spiral along. Everyone's doing a great job. And once we reach the very end, we want to leave about 2 inches or so. Have this point up towards the ceiling.
Almost. Okay.
Awesome.
Up towards the ceiling.
And then take this shorter one and place it right inside. Just really stick it in
That
there.
inside. Okay.
All right.
All right.
Great job. So now let's take this long strip here that's going to make up the leaf of the rose and flip it inside out. And now we have our napkin rose.
Hey.
Amazing.